The Sony RX100 series has always been a legend in the world of compact cameras. For years, it has defined what a true pocket-sized powerhouse can be, a blend of portability, professional quality, and sleek design. From the original RX100 that changed the game for compact photography to the RX100 VIII that pushed performance to new limits, Sony's line became the go-to choice for travelers, vloggers, and enthusiasts. But after years of silence, fans began to wonder if the era of the RX100 was over. Now, whispers and leaks are suggesting that the long-awaited Sony RX100 VIII is finally on the horizon, and if the rumors are true, it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact cameras ever made. The RX100 series has always had one goal: to deliver professional-grade power in the smallest possible form. Sony's engineers managed to pack in a large 1.0-inch sensor, premium lenses, fast autofocus, and 4K recording capabilities into a body that could fit in a jacket pocket. That formula won over a loyal following. The RX100 VIII seems ready to evolve that formula once again, with meaningful upgrades designed for modern creators who need performance without compromise. This isn't just another minor refresh, it's a careful rethinking of what a high-end compact can be in 2025. At the heart of the RX100 VIII is a versatile 24 to 300mm zoom lens with an aperture range of f2.8 to f5.6. That's a serious optical reach for such a small body, covering everything from wide scenic shots to close-up telephoto details. This lens makes the camera equally capable for landscapes, portraits, and even wildlife or sports. While the f5.6 aperture at the telephoto end might sound modest, Sony's decision to keep it that way helps preserve the slim, pocketable form factor. It's a smart balance, the kind of engineering trade-off that allows users to travel light without giving up creative flexibility. Sony also seems to be addressing one of the biggest criticisms of older models: workflow bottlenecks. The RX100 VIII reportedly ditches the old micro-USB port in favor of a modern USB-C 3.2 terminal, allowing for faster charging and much quicker file transfers. For creators handling large 4,000 or high frame rate video files, this is a major quality of life improvement. Combine that with a UHS-to-card slot supporting V90 rated cards, and the RX100 VIII can finally handle ultra-high bitrate recording without frustrating slowdowns. These changes may sound small, but for professionals and content creators, they make a world of difference. And that brings us to video, an area where Sony has clearly been listening to its audience. The RX100 VIII is rumored to support multiple professional codecs including XAVCS, XAVCHS, XAVCSIH, 264, and H265, with recording bitrates up to a staggering 600 megabits per second. That's serious video performance, far beyond what previous compact cameras could achieve. It means richer detail, cleaner color, and greater flexibility in post-production. For vloggers and filmmakers who prefer traveling light, this kind of recording power in a truly pocketable body could be a dream come true. Sony has also tackled one of the most frustrating issues of past RX100 models: overheating. Previous versions were notorious for shutting down during longer 4K sessions, limiting their practicality for serious video use. But the RX100 VIII is rumored to include an internal side fan vent, a small but game-changing upgrade that could allow for continuous high-quality recording without interruptions. Sure, adding a fan introduces new design challenges, like potential fan noise or slightly reduced weather sealing, but the payoff is huge. If Sony pulls this off, it will remove one of the last major weaknesses of the RX100 lineup. Another key improvement lies in usability. The RX100 VIII reportedly features a brighter, higher-resolution display that makes outdoor shooting far easier. Anyone who's ever tried composing a shot in direct sunlight knows how crucial screen brightness can be, and this upgrade shows that Sony is focusing on real-world practicality. Alongside that comes a new, more efficient X2 battery redesigned power unit that offers longer life without increasing size. That means you can shoot or film for longer sessions without constantly worrying about battery swaps. For travelers or vloggers spending full days on the go, this change alone adds huge value. Despite all these enhancements, Sony seems committed to preserving what people love most about the RX100 series: its compactness. Reports suggest the RX100 VIII will only be about 22 grams heavier and just 3 mm thicker than its predecessor. That's barely noticeable in hand, meaning the camera still slips effortlessly into your pocket. Yet it now packs far more capability inside that small frame. This attention to balance between performance and portability is exactly what made the RX100 iconic in the first place. The anticipation surrounding the RX100 is immense. Many fans who skipped the RX100 VIII have been waiting years for a worthy upgrade, particularly hoping for 4K 60 FPS support and better heat management. One fan even mentioned holding off from buying the RX100 VII simply because it couldn't record 4K at 60 frames per second, a limitation that the RX100 VIII seems poised to overcome. It's clear that the community has been vocal about what they want, and Sony appears to be listening. As for the release timeline, there's still no official word from Sony. However, industry insiders suggest that the RX100 VIII could debut in late 2025, possibly around the holiday season when camera launches tend to draw the most attention. The estimated price point of around $1,979 places it firmly in premium territory, even above some APS-C mirrorless models. But considering the technology packed into it, Sony seems confident that the RX100 VII's performance will justify the cost. This isn't a beginner's camera, it's for creators who value having a professional tool that fits in their pocket. If the rumors hold true, the RX100 VIII represents a defining moment for compact cameras. At a time when smartphones continue to dominate casual photography, Sony seems determined to remind everyone that there's still a place for real cameras, especially ones that can outperform any phone while remaining just as easy to carry. With its long zoom range, advanced codecs, cooling system, and upgraded display, the RX100 VIII sounds like the ultimate travel companion and content creation tool. Sony's Cybershot RX100 line has always been about breaking limits, proving that great things can come in small packages. And the RX100 VIII looks ready to continue that legacy. It's not just a camera, it's a statement that the compact camera market still has life, innovation, and passion behind it. Whether you're a filmmaker on the move, a travel vlogger, or a street photographer looking for a discreet yet powerful device, this new model could easily become your favorite piece of gear. In a world where most brands are moving toward larger sensors and bulkier bodies, Sony's decision to double down on compact excellence feels refreshing. The RX100 VIII isn't chasing trends, it's refining a formula that has already proven itself. It offers a combination of performance, portability, and practicality that very few devices can match. Every small upgrade, from the faster ports and codecs to the active cooling and improved ergonomics, shows that Sony hasn't forgotten the users who made this series iconic. If Sony delivers everything the rumors suggest, the RX100 VIII could easily reclaim its throne as the king of compact cameras. It's a reminder that innovation doesn't always mean going bigger. Sometimes it's about doing more with less. The RX100 VIII isn't just another product, it's a return to what made photography exciting in the first place, having the power to capture professional quality moments wherever you are, whenever inspiration strikes. And for many creators, that's exactly what they've been waiting for.